What are rainforests? Rainforests are very dense, warm, wet forests. They are habitats for millions of plants and animals. It is estimated that about half of all the Earth's plant and animal life lives in rainforests. Rainforests are extremely important in the ecology of the Earth. The plants of the rainforest generate much of the Earth's oxygen. The word dense means thick. The word habitat is where something lives. Estimated means to guess something. The word ecology is the study of the world's natural resources. And the word generate is when you make something. Where are the tropical rainforests? Tropical rainforests are found between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. They are close to the equator. They are always warm, always humid, and there is always lots of rainfall. Can you see how the continents have been labelled on the map? The equator is an imaginary line around the centre of the Earth. This is where the hottest countries are. Why are rainforests important? The plants of the rainforest generate much of the Earth's oxygen. These plants are also very important to people in other ways. Many are used in new drugs that fight disease and illness. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world and covers over 5.5 million square kilometres. It's so big that the United Kingdom and Ireland could fit into it 17 times. The Amazon is found in the continent of South America and spreads across most of the northwest of Brazil, as well as parts of Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, and Colombia. The Amazon River. The Amazon River is the widest and second longest river in the world. In some places, it's wider than 6 miles. That's the length of over 15,000 buses parked one in front of the other. The Amazon River is home to fish, dolphins, otters, turtles, snakes, and caimans, which are like crocodiles. Trees in the Amazon rainforest. Trees grow upwards very quickly in the hot, wet climate to form a green canopy. There are few branches in the middle layers. On the ground are shrubs and thick undergrowth which are filled with creepers, tall thin plants that wind upwards around the trees to reach the sunlight. The rainforest layers. In this picture you can see the different levels of the rainforest. Emergent layer. Birds, bats and butterflies live in the tops of the tallest trees. That is called the emergent layer. Canopy. In the tops of the shorter trees, or canopy, you can find animals such as toucans and monkeys. Understory. Snakes, red-eyed tree frogs, and other animals live in the understory, or lower branches. Forest floor. Animals such as jaguars can be found on the dark forest floor.